Kathy sent me a text message saying she had just got back from the doctors, but she let me know that she was diagnosed with cancer. She wanted to make other people happy. She's one that wants to bring the team together. We would see her working on a puzzle on one of her breaks, and she didn't really ask anyone to come and help her, join her. It just happened naturally. Shortly after she had passed, it was only fitting to create a plaque that said that this wall that we had already started would continue on in her memory. It warms my heart when I see more than one person at the puzzle table working on it. Even if they didn't know Kathy and they're working on these puzzles, it still triggers in my mind that, hey, look what Kathy started. It's such a great serendipitous meeting spot just to decompress and unwind and have a little fun in your day. It just started with something as simple as an idea and something that Kathy was passionate about and something that brought joy to her life that she wanted to share it with the rest of the team. And I'm just so happy and thankful that Kathy wanted to share her love of puzzles with us, and now it's continuing on and we're sharing our love of puzzles with the rest of the world.